Hello everyone. In this video, we will explore the 4 primary value pillars of the Looker Semantic Model and see how it functions as a powerful data modeling tool. We will also walk through its coding interface and demonstrate how to generate a comprehensive data model from scratch in just a matter of seconds. The Looker Semantic Model interface is designed for streamlined development. You select a file from the left sidebar to edit the corresponding code on the right. There are 2 primary file types you will work with: views and models. Within views, you define your data metrics. These include dimensions, which represent the columns in your SQL database, and measures, which are aggregate functions such as sum, mean, max, average, count, you name it, and Looker does the rest. These measures perform aggregations based on the dimensions imported from your connected databases, ensuring your business logic remains centralized, accurate, and incredibly flexible. These metrics definitions are written in LookML, Google's accessible modeling language, making SQL modular and reusable. For example, once you define a sale price by referencing a specific database path, you can reuse that definition throughout your model without needing to redefine the underlying logic. This modularity is essential for building an efficient data architecture. The second component is the model file, which handles 4 main critical functions: custom caching policies. You can maximize cache usage to decrease query costs and improve dashboard loading speeds. Caching can be managed via time windows, such as 120 hours, or specific rules, such as invalidating the cache whenever a new order is placed to ensure your visuals remain as up-to-date as your database. Access grants. By using user attributes from employee logins, you can enforce security at the row or column level, ensuring individuals only access the data relevant to their roles. Explorers. These represent Looker's self-service layer. You begin with a base fact table and define how other tables should be joined. This structure dictates exactly what users see when they explore data independently. Quick start templates, known as queries, these provide users with ready-to-go, out-of-the-box analyses to inspire their exploration. The value of this semantic model can be summarized in 4 main points. First, it establishes a single source of truth, maximizing data scalability, security, consistency, and maintenance efficiency. Second, it enables self-service customization. You design the experience that users access through the Explore menu. In this interface, users select fields from the picker to generate visuals and analyses instantly. Because the metadata and logic reside within the semantic model, users can become effective analysts in seconds. They can then save these visuals as looks or dashboards and use drill-down functionalities that you have built into the model. The third pillar of value is automatic SQL generation. By clicking the SQL tab in the Explore interface, you can watch in real time as Looker translates your field selections into highly optimized queries. For instance, if you adjust a filter from a 4-year to a 6-year lookback, the SQL updates instantly to reflect that change. This represents a fundamental shift in how we handle data. Instead of relying on rigid, pre-processed database-level transformations that require constant maintenance, Looker creates business logic on the fly. This automation doesn't just write simple code, it masters advanced SQL challenges, from preventing fanouts and managing nested fields to applying custom caching policies, all without manual intervention. The result is unparalleled flexibility. A single measure, such as sale price, can be grouped by year, month, country, or customer segment at a moment's notice. You define the logic once, and Looker handles the permutations. You name the drill down, and the SQL is derived automatically. The fourth value pillar of the semantic model is faster data modeling. When you are ready to update your model, you transition from the read-only production environment into development mode. This isn't just a simple toggle. It is your gateway to a safe, isolated workspace. Because the entire modeling process is fully Git-integrated, entering development mode automatically opens your own personal branch of the code. This architecture is a game-changer for team collaboration. It allows multiple developers to work on the same model simultaneously, using either personal or shared branches, without the risk of overwriting each other's work or breaking live dashboards. For organizations that demand rigorous governance, Looker supports advanced deployment modes. This enables you to maintain distinct environments for development, staging, and full production. It ensures a professional-grade workflow where every change is peer-reviewed and validated before it ever reaches an end user. Whether you are managing a small startup or a global enterprise, you name the complexity of your workflow, and Looker's version control can handle it. This structural safety doesn't just prevent errors, it provides the data trust to innovate faster than ever before. To help your team ramp up quickly, Looker provides several resources: quick help, on-page documentation for specific parameters, LookML Assistant, a vibe coding AI tool that uses natural language to suggest code snippets. For instance, you can ask it to write the sum of margin, and it will generate the LookML for you. Visualization and troubleshooting, Tools like the LookML diagram extension show junctions between tables, while the data dictionary displays model metadata. Additionally, the content validator allows you to find and replace references across your entire model if your backend database schema changes. To see the single source of truth in action, consider a scenario where your sales price business logic needs a rapid adjustment. The impact is immediate and universal. Because this logic is centralized within the semantic model, you do not need to manually update individual reports or hunt down disconnected spreadsheets. Every explore, visualization, and dashboard using that field inherits the new calculation the moment you save. Whether it's a simple arithmetic shift or a complex aggregate function like sum, mean, or max, you name the logic, and Looker ensures it is inherited everywhere. Finally, this consistency is matched by incredible speed. Approximately 70% of the code in a typical project is generated automatically. By starting a new project and selecting the Generate Model from Database option, Looker can connect directly to all the table of your database and suggest the foundational code for your models and views. It intelligently identifies dimensions, primary keys, suggests drill field, import your available metadata, generate a count measure, and even suggest full data model join and various explorers. This automation can enable your team to create functional models in seconds, while allowing developers to focus on the remaining 30% of the effort, the high-value work. This includes refining metadata, labeling fields for clarity, or injecting your own unique custom business logic.